Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my MarkTalk channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about a interesting feature and the most important feature of Go Highlevel or like any marketing platform is the landing page generation or landing page creation or called funnels. Many would have used ClickFunnels a lot, and a Go Highlevel platform is very similar to ClickFunnels, and it has like very advanced functionalities because it you can sell products, you can have my one-step order form, two-step order form, you can integrate reviews, you can integrate forms, custom values, you can let integrate calendar and let calendar part of the funnel, and customers book the appointment directly in the funnel. And you can integrate chat widget, lots of things you can do because it's an all-in-one platform, and it has multiple functionalities, and the funnel is like the central part of it, and you can build many items around it, and you use it according to your business needs. The thing is like these are all like you have to go to sites, and then you can click see funnels here, and in the funnels you can have multiple funnels. You can create folder and like group it as per your convenience. And once you create a funnel, and you can just click that funnel, and you can even if you want to create a new funnel, you can just create new funnel. That's it. And once you are into that funnel, you can do lots of things like let's first create like that's a very secret thing available. I will show like if at all you have created an awesome funnel or like an awesome funnel step in in ClickFunnel, and it would be very laborious to imitate the same, and it would time consuming also. Go Highlevel offers an interesting feature called add new step, and from okay, offer page, let's call it as offer page. You can directly import the ClickFunnel thing into the Go Highlevel without any issue, but ensure see that you use your funnel, your ClickFunnel only. Just for the demo purpose, I'm showing how to import the ClickFunnel into Go Highlevel funnel. Just confirm. I confirm this page either belongs to me, I have permission to use this assets. Create funnel stuff. That's it. Now your ClickFunnel step is available within the Go Highlevel, and all you have to do is you would have to do little bit of finishing things, and almost it would be like 95% ready. You have to tweak few things only, and now you say this is a ClickFunnel thing, and now I have the same inside the Go Highlevel. You can just preview it. It would look as more or less the same, and you can tweak it easily whichever the things you want to use. So this is a very interesting feature. I advise, if at all you have you are migrating from ClickFunnel to Go Highlevel, you use this feature. And regarding the Go Highlevel funnel, there are like the section is the main part of it, and under section you can create rows and then columns and elements. Elements can be like an order form, calendar, text, headline, video, image, or like a map, or like a custom. You can also do a custom HTML JS part also. That kind of thing you can do. Let's start with this. Say you have created a file. You are creating a funnel. Let's move to the next step so that I can. We can in real time. I will show you how to use these things and create a awesome looking landing page that actually converts for you, and that more than that it has all the features associated with it. Let's go to the order form, click edit page. No, this is just I have named it like way. I'm just going to create it in front of you. Let's delete everything. Say this is the blank funnel step we are going to create. First thing you have to do is you have to do add section, Then you can do full width and add row. You whether you want one column, two column, or three column, whichever the thing you can do. And then you can have a image as or the logo in the center. Let's go, and you can have the logo uploaded and logo getting placed here. Just I'm importing the icon. I can also set the width and size of it 200 into 150 and optimize image load, because for SEO purpose this would be this would be very essential. Ask whatever, it has to be fastly loading in the mobile, and you can also preview it in the mobile desktop so that you can tweak the funnel look and feel as per the needs of the different platforms. And you can set the image action when the customer customer clicks on the image, what should do. You can say, let's introduce the concept of pop-up form. Pop-up forms are like just it's a model you can forms which pop up in front of you, and it can be a lead magnet. Let's add a pop-up here. One column, add element. I want to have a form. Where is it? No, these are like it's not like the regular forms. Yeah, sorry, here you do not have the forms. You can just I have already forms built out there, and you can, now it's ready, right? Now you have the form ready, and whenever you click save button, it will ask like SEO metadata. SEO metadata is like when somebody searches on Google, it would like show the organic results from it, like landing page tools. And when you search on it, it will show all the organic listings, right? Sorry, this add-on is creating a problem for me. And this will have all the titles and description, right? That is the thing, it's showing us title, that is called as meta title and meta description. Meta keywords nobody uses now. And social image, you can whenever you like, when you share with any people, it can this image can be like this would be shared along with the URL. So these are the things you can like update the metadata, and once you are done with that, you can just click the metadata update metadata, and then click save. Then let's click the preview button. If at all we have just added the icon, it's looking strange, but we are testing the first functionality. When you hover around it, it shows the little icon, right? Just click it will do the pop-up form. But what if at all you want to tweak the pop-up form settings? Sorry, this is not the page we have been creating, right? Okay. Pop-up settings is like when you click how the pop-up should function and pop-up should react. Like you can disabling when you exit, you can check like whether when somebody closes on how to close, or like when somebody plans to exit or like the user exits the page, you can show the pop-up again, so that it happened right already. Like when we plan to when we try to exit, it automatically pops up, so it likes it pulls the customer to submit the information, right? So those kind of tweaking you can do. Those kind of tweaking you can do, and you can enable it or disable it, and you can increase the size also, and you can increase the padding options, margin options, everything here. So this would be also customizable. You can customize the look and feel of the pop-up form also. overlay color and background image also you can change. If at all you want to change the background color, say let's go with this image. This way the pop-up form can be customized, and it can look better as you add more personalization or customization. You can add custom CSS also. You can see like there is a custom CSS, and you can add the change the colorings and everything as per your requirement. Then we are done with the pop-up form thing. But normally when we create a funnel or like a website, we wish to have a global header, like we wish to have a home navigation menu, like all the menu items at the top, which is similar in across all the pages, right? So let's delete this one. How to, if at all you have created multiple section, you might like wonder like how we do it. You can't find like which element you want to delete, like, so you can go to my section manage and create that section manage, and then you can find all the sections here, and you can imitate or like whichever the way you want to have. You can just clone it, or like I will show other options also, and you can also reorder, and also you can rename too. So those kind of things. Image pop-up, right? And then this one I don't want, right? So let's leave it this way, and let's delete it externally. Just click save, and now remove it. Now let's add a element called, there is an element called navigation menu. You just click the navigation menu, and you have the logo here. This would be like globally available. I will show how it can be made globally available, and you can change the business name, Wonder Agency for Med Spa. I can bold it, and then you can hyperlink this to a separate page also, and then also you can like change this menus also, like here. Because I don't want the themes to appear, you can just delete this one. I don't want the theme. I am happy with home, about, contact. So, and I want to change the background color little bit. Okay, and now it's looking little better, right? So padding left, no, I want some padding on the left and the right. Yeah, so it's looking little better, right? Now you can see like what is the there will be some options, like whether whether it should be visible in the desktop only. Since I have disabled it, it won't appear in the desktop. So you can create sections which are appearing only on mobile, or only on desktop also. Those kind of tweaks also you can do. And now click save. But I want this whenever there is a concept called global sections and template. Whenever someone changes on a particular thing, on the header would be available across all the pages, right? So whenever someone changes on a single page, it should ideally reflect in all the pages. For that, what you have to do, you have to just save this one, save this section, click save this section. Yeah, and when you save it, you can see header new or header 2023. Save, just click save and save section. Now you go to the next page, other pages we have created. If at all you want to add that particular mm, a header section which should be available in all the areas, right? So just click add section and you will see the option to add rows and then columns and elements, and instead of that you can also see layouts, my layouts, global section. And in the global sections we have already saved it as header, and just drag and drop it. You will find that this one is a global header section. It's also showing like global here, right? Global header 2023. So whenever you make, say if at all you make changes for the about, instead of about, you are making it as navigation menu settings. Just wait. Header settings, advanced. Yeah, now if at all you want to edit this one, say let's, instead of about, you are saving it as about us, and let's change this other setting. Once we created other pages, I don't want to get to other step. You can just go to next step, or like go to step like offer page, those kind of things, or like test to wake page. And it can be set as like open in new tab. That would be helpful to retain the customers. And like it's asking like you have made changes to the global section which can affect other changes. Yeah, right. Since it's a global section, it would really affect the other pages. I'm okay with that. Just click save and cancel, keep this metadata. And now if you go to the earlier pages, you can see like instead of about, it will show us about us. This would ensure that you create a global header and you can have instead of about, it's now showing it as about us, right? So this way you can like create in one page and use it in multiple pages. And same way, if at all I want to use this one, nobody uses the logo for like okay, let's add let's add a button. Okay, and now let's click to sign up instead of click to sign up. Yeah, you can set the mobile font size and desktop font size differently, and for mobile it can be different. So this way you can ensure that it perfectly suits the set a platform, whether it's a mobile or like a desktop, it can perfectly suit that platform. Submit. No, interested in this offer. Interested in this offer. So on clicking this button, it can be like margin padding, margin. Okay, I want little bit of roundness. I can't pick okay, then let's do this pop-up thing and then come back to this open pop-up. Yeah, right. So I wish to the key thing is like, let's update the metadata. Wonder agency for Metspa. Infonix. Arizona. number one agency. So those kind of things you can add. Then this would when you this would be appearing in the Google organic listings. And we have already added the social icon. Just click update metadata and save it. The key thing is like we might use this button at many places, right? It can in the same funnel itself, we may be in the same funnel step itself, we might have the same button at the top and then at the bottom. Let's save this section as template interested button and save section, right? Now let's add another section, and this section has the calendar. Just for the sake of exploring all the features or showing you all the features, I am showing this one. Just select the calendar, and now the calendar is loaded inside the funnel, so it's looking good. Now I want to add another section below the calendar, but instead of global section which is available widely across the funnel, I want to have the the interested button settings. I have the section I have created, and I want that button to be here, so I don't have to create every time when I need the button. So if at all I have added custom CSS and styling thing, that I don't have to repeatedly do that again when you create like multiple steps and like a long funnel pages. So this would be very handy. This would be very helpful, and this way you can use the global section and the templates.